Today, ladies and gentlemen, this is Trevor Williams coming to you from our state-of-the-art facility in Leopoldshöhe, Germany. Today we will discuss the Koch S-1000 trim saw. What does the machine do for you? The machine is designed to give the best possible cut to wrap profiles or laminated boards with edges in both MDF and chipboard. This will ensure that there is no further processing of the workpieces. Firstly, a highly accurate positioning system is used with a servo motor and a clamping system that clamps the part both from the bottom and the top to ensure that the parts are cut accurately. All rollers are rubberized to protect your finish. Secondly, the saw diameter is kept to an absolute minimum to ensure that there's no blade deflection. This is done because the saw moves horizontally through the workpiece. Despite the small saw radius, the parts with a dimension of 300 millimeters in width and 70 millimeters in thickness are possible to process. The saw has an integrated scoring saw to protect the finish of the underside of the workpiece. Because of the layout, the saw can process single workpieces or in bundles. The outfeed is designed in such a way to ensure that the workpieces are protected at all times. The kicker will remove the workpieces from the saw line to ensure that the workpieces are not damaged. The machine is designed to the highest CE standards for safety, with emergency stops and light barrier protection to ensure that people do not enter the working area of the machine. Now we will show you the machine working both with bundles and single pieces. We will now show a part, chipboard with melamine face and edge. Place the part in, start the saw, Thank you for your time. Please contact us on the numbers displayed below or via our website. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again.